Hi friends. And today I am here to tell you some places where you and your dog can travel.
Welcome to It's All About Dogs, which places where you can travel with your dog. The places where you can travel with your dogs are Colorado Springs, Colorado, Key West, Florida, Gatlinburg, Tennessee, Albuquerque, New Mexico, Austin, Texas. Colorado Springs, Colorado, mountain scenery and fresh air do wonders for both humans and their canine companions. Bring your pup to Colorado Springs to hike some trails and soak it all in. Key West, Florida. The eclectic, laid-back and remote beach town of Key West is dog-friendly, and the beach at Waddell and Vernon allow off-leash time as well. There are bars here that welcome dogs, like Louie's Backyard, Gatlinburg, Tennessee. The Smoky Mountains provide a beautiful backdrop in Gatlinburg, Tennessee, which is a beloved central location for fun family vacations. You can find affordable vacation rental properties and mountain cabins here, many of which are pet-friendly. Albuquerque, New Mexico, with lots of sunshine and a mild year-round climate, Albuquerque makes a unique vacation destination for you and your pup. You can catch the International Hot Air Balloon Festival here in October or check out some of the Breaking Bad TV show filming sites. Austin, Texas, with lots of parks and dog-friendly bars, Austin is a great place to travel with your pet. It's an affordable destination where you can oftentimes find free or cheap festivals, concert,